Hi guys, BENZ TNT. I'm going to give you a tip today so you can listen to your messages received on your phone through the in-car system without having to touch your mobile. Follow these steps and you'll be okay. First of all, what you got to do is, on your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, Mercedes Bluetooth, and see it says Show Notifications. Make sure it's switched on and then everything will be okay. Once you've done that, go to Telephone and Connect Device. Select the device you wish. Once it's searching and found its search, there we go. At the moment, SMS is not activated because it's greyed out. Now it's greyed in. Select again, read aloud.
Hello, BENZ TNT.
There you go. As you can see, that was quite simple to do and works on all mobile platforms. Now, before you go, check out my video of the 500 giveaway. Everybody got a chance to win, just get in on it. Anyway, this is BENZ TNT, spreading love and bringing the peace.